Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and lovely baby frog. You can see the frog, what a beautiful frog this is. Here I have used 250 gram wool to make this project and I have completed it with 4.5 mm crochet hook. This frog is for 2 to 3 years baby. And this is the part 2 of this frog. If you want to see the part 1, then link is in description box. You can go through it and watch that video. Just look at the beautiful neck, beautiful frill and the beautiful sleeve of this frog. In part 1 I have showed you the top of this frog, but in this part I will show you the frill and beautiful sleeve of this frog. So let's start the video, but before starting the video I have a request that if you are new in my channel then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. If you like this video then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. So let's start the video. Okay, let's start to make the frill of this frog. This is the armhole and just add your thread under the armhole. Make 5 chains, 1 2 3 and 4 5. Skip 1 single crochet and add your work with next one. Skip it and add it with the next one. Again make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Skip 1 single crochet and again add it with single crochet. So repeat this process and complete this round. Make 5 chains, skip 1 single crochet and add it with the next one. At the end of the work, add your work with the starting point and make 1 slip stitch, and this is the second one. 2 slip stitch in first chain ring. Again make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5 and add it with the next chain net. 5 chains and add it with the next one. Very simple and very easy design this is. If you are a beginner then you can make it easily. Again 5 chains, add it with the next one. Repeat the same process and complete this round and make 8 rounds with the same process. Only make 5 chains and add it with the next chain net. Make 8 rounds. Okay, here I have completed my 8 rounds and let's start to make the final round out of this first frill. Final border round. So make 5 chains. First of all make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5 and make a picot in third number chain. Now make 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 2 and 3 and make a picot. Just insert the hook in the chain of this double crochet and make a picot. Again 1 double crochet. And look at here how to make the picot. 3 chains and this is the double crochet and just insert the hook in the chain of double crochet. Insert your hook in both chains and make a single crochet. This is the picot. Again make a double crochet and 3 chain picot, 1 2 and 3, make 1 picot. Just repeat it 5 times. This is the 4th one. Make 1 more double crochet and 3 chain picot, 1 2 and 3 and picot. Okay, now make 2 chains, 1 and 2 and add your border with the next chain net. In next one make a single crochet and add your work. Again 2 chain and start to make the same border. 1 double crochet, 3 chain picot. This is double crochet, 3 chain and make 1 picot. Repeat the same process 5 times. 1, 2, 3, third double crochet and picot, and this is the 5th one. Make 2 chain and add it with the next one. So just repeat the same process and complete your round. Now here I have completed my round and my first frill is ready. So let's start to make the base of the second frill. This is the 7th round of your chain nets. Just add your thread here. Add your thread in the single crochet of the 7th round. Okay, and now make the base for this second frill. Make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and add it with the next single crochet. Just look at here. This is the next single crochet of the 7th round, and make 1 single crochet. Again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and again add it with the single crochet of the 7th round. This is the last one and this is the 7th round of your work. So add your work here. This is the base for the second frill. Here I have made 3 frill in my work. If you want to make only 2 frills, then you can choose yours. Make 5 chains, repeat the same process and complete your round. 5 chains and add it with the next single crochet. Repeat the same process and complete your round. Now I have completed my round and here I am at the starting point. This is the starting point. So again make 2 single crochet or 2 slip stitch in the first net. This is the first base of your second frill. First net and make 2 slip stitch in this one. And now again start to make the same chain knit. 5 chains, add it with the next one. Again make 5 chains and add it with the next one. So just repeat the same process as you have done in your first frill. Repeat it 8 times or 8 rounds. Make 8 rounds with the same process. 5 chains, add it with the next one. Again make 5 chains and add it with the next one. So, and at the last make the same border of border in your frill. Again make the base for the third frill and make the same chain net in the third frill. So you have to repeat the same process or same frill 2 times. 8 round, the same border. Again make the base for the third frill and 8 round of chain net and the same border. So just repeat the same process and complete your 3 frill. Now I have completed my all frills 1, 2 and 3. Only the same process 8 times chain net and the same border. Okay, now I am going to show you how to make this beautiful sleeves. And here I have used some beads in this frill also. This is the armhole. So add your work at the same pattern. Here 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochets pattern. So just add your work with the first double crochet of your pattern. Make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the next one. Just do the same process as you have done in to separate this armhole from your top. Make 1 double crochet in the 2 chain space. Now take the next side's pattern. First of all, make 1 double crochet in 2 chain space. You can see the pattern 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. So in next side, first of all make 1 double crochet in 2 chain space, and now make 1 double crochet in double crochet 1 and 2. Here is the 2 double crochet of your pattern. So make 1 double crochet here, 1 and 2. This is the next one. Now make 1 double crochet in each double crochet and complete your round. Make 1 double crochet and complete it till the end. And at the end of the work, add your work with 3rd chain. Okay, now repeat the same process as you have done in your top. 1 round of single crochet, 1 round of cross stitch, and again 1 round of single crochet. So here I have made a round of single crochet, and in this round I will make round of cross stitch. Make the same round which you have done in your top. Just skip 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in the next one, and now make 1 double crochet at the skipped double crochet. This is the skipped one, so make 1 double crochet here. Just do the same process, 1 round of cross stitch and 1 round of double crochet. You have to make 10 rounds with the same process. This is the second round. Make 8 more rounds with the same process. If you want to make long sleeves, then you can. Here I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rounds of double crochet and the cross stitch. So make 10 rounds and complete your work. Okay, now here I have completed my 10 round. So add your work with the first double crochet, and now start to make round of single crochet as you have done in your top. So make 1 single crochet in each double crochet, and in next round use some beads. So at the end of the work, add your work, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in next one, and now start to make beads round. Use the next crochet hook, insert a bead in your hook, make 1 double crochet. Just repeat the same round as you have done in your top. This is the same process. So use these beads and complete your rounds. 1 time single crochet in next one, use 1 bead, and in again next one double crochet. Just do the same process and complete your round. and for next round make one single crochet, third round of same beads round, and again one round of single crochet. So here I have completed my work in 5 rounds, 1 round of single crochet, second round of beads, third round of single crochet, fourth round of beads, and fifth round of single crochet. Just repeat the same process and complete your work. And after completing your 5 rounds, just start to make the umbrella sleeves. So make the same chain nets, 5 chain, 1. You have to make 4 rounds of chain net, same process which you have done in your frill. So skip 1 single crochet and make 1 single crochet in the next one. 5 chain, skip 1 single crochet and add it with the next one. Repeat the same process 4 times and complete your 4 round with the same process. And after that, the same border which you have done in your frills. 1 double crochet, 3 chain picot, again 1 double crochet, 3 chain picot, 5 times and add it with the next chain net. 5 chain, add your work, again 5 chain and add your work. Here you have completed your 8 round, but now in sleeve make only 4 round, and after that make the same border. Now look at the sleeve 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 times chain net, and in 5th round make the same border. So just repeat the same process, make 5 round and complete your sleeves. And now let's start to make the neck of this frock. Okay, now add the thread at the back of the frock. This is the open part of your frock, so add your thread here. And now start to make single crochet round. First of all, make 1 single crochet, 1 chain and 1 single crochet at the same place. Now make 1 and 2 single crochet, 1 at the double crochet and second one at the joining point. 1 and 2. This round will be only of single crochet, so make 1 single crochet, 1, and now I am at the neck, so make 1 single crochet here at the corner of your neck, 1 chain and 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 chain and 1 single crochet at the same place or at the corner of your neck. Now again make only 1 single crochet in each double crochet of your neck part. 1 single crochet in each double crochet. Now repeat the same process. Complete your neck. Make only 1 single crochet in each double crochet. Complete it. Repeat the same process and reach at the next corner. In the next corner do the same 1 single crochet, 1 chain and 1 single crochet as you have done in the first corner, and again make the same single crochet at the next side. So just repeat the same process and complete it till the end. And now I have completed my round, and you can see I made the same single crochet in neck part and in the next part of the open part. So here just make the second round. Now I am at the starting point. Add your work with the first single crochet. Make one chain and again start to make single crochet. First of all, make 3 single crochet. This is the third one. 3 single crochet. Now make 2 chains for the buttonhole. Skip 1 single crochet and again make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 single crochet, again make 2 chains. Skip 1 single crochet for buttonhole and make 5 single crochet. Just repeat the same process till the corner of your neck. These are the buttonholes. So make 5 single crochet, 2 chains, skip 1 and again make 5 single crochet. Repeat it till the corner. And now I am at the corner of your neck part and here I have 5 such buttonholes. So here first of all make 1 chain and 1 single crochet at the same place. 1 chain and now in the next one make 1 double crochet and again start to use beads. 1 round of beads. One double crochet, take 1 beads and again make 1 double crochet and now in the next single crochet make a double crochet. So do it alternatively. One time make 1 double crochet and in next time use 1 bead. Repeat the same process in your neck part. Use 1 bead and start to make same double crochet just over the 2 loops. And now in next one make 1 double crochet. So just repeat the same process. Do the same work in your neck part and in next side only make 1 single crochet till the end. Don't make any buttonhole in the neck side of your work. Make only double buttonhole will be make only in one side. So don't make any buttonhole in the neck side. Just repeat the same process till the end and complete your work. And now after completed the second round, make 1 more round of single crochet. This is the last round. Make 1 single crochet in each one. Here is the buttonhole. So make 1 and 2 single crochet in your buttonhole part. Okay, and now again start to make 1 single crochet in each single crochet. 1 single crochet in each and 2 single crochet in the buttonhole. Repeat the same process in your neck part also and in the next side of your open part. Just repeat the same process, make one single crochet and complete your work. So use some beads in your button part. Use some buttons in your button part and complete your work. Now your frock is ready. If you want to make it the front side, so use some show button, and if you want to keep it at your back side, so simple buttons, use some simple button and complete your work. So friends, now I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.